Hindi ito kapani-paniwala. Nagbabalik ang PR Reacts.
We're back! Yes!
Yay.
After 1 year!
Ain't no way!
Ano
1 year
Tagalog
na
sa
ba?
ito guys? Ano Tagalog sa
Ayaw
ito?
ko.
Hindi ito totoo! Hindi kapani-paniwala.
Di pa rin paniwala.
Ain't no way kasi.
Kaya ain't no way. Hindi kapani-paniwala.
Parang walang daan, walang daan.
Yay.
Kung tamang landas.
PR Reacts.
Walang daan! Welcome back sa PR Reacts. Sa lahat ng naghihintay. Weekly po ulit to. Yes!
Yes!
Yay.
Kaya ano pa hinihintay nyo? Mag-submit na kayo.
Ooh, yay.
Akin na yan, no?
Yes.
Huwag na tayo mag-hype. Tuloy na natin, no?
Ain't no way, guys! What the hell? PR Reacts is freaking back. Grabe.
Oh, nagbabalik. Di naman to nawala.
Oh my God. Wow.
Sino nagsabing nawala? Ha?
Grabe naman yan. It's back after ilan nil? 1 freaking
1 week.
1 week.
1 week lang nawala.
Oh my God. Di namin kinaya
Medyo-
yung daily uploads kasi.
Medyo
Grabe.
na-busy lang kami, pero kami
Tama.
nagbabalik. At ngayon, guys, ay magre-react tayo sa mga videos ni JM.
Let's
go!
go, JM!
Let's go,
Oh my
JM!
God, JM!
Big shout out to my boy!
Goat! Grabe!
JM animation.
Holy shit!
JM
Ilan yung
animations.
animations niya?
Yan.
Ilan na yung nagawa niya? Since then?
1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8.
Grabe!
Well, hindi to counted. 9. Dito counted.
Hindi,
10,
kailan yung huli
11,
nating ano?
12.
Ano yung huli natin?
12.
Ano yung last week natin react sa kanya?
Ano, yung repo.
Yung repo?
Atong,
Repo.
Hindi.
Atong
Alin?
Pass and the Pinoys.
As in the
Kaya ba?
Pinoys? Yan ba yung huli?
Yes, ito yung huli.
Yan yung huli? Hindi. Yan yung pinaka-una.
Yes, sir. Hindi ba natin
So,
napapanood
ano nga yung huli?
to? Ayan,
Yan, last week.
pa na-
Last week.
hindi
Yan,
pa na-
napapanood.
na-
Alin
Yan,
dyan?
kasi last week lang.
So,
yan,
ibig mo
okay?
sabihin, he managed to create more than 8 videos in 1 week?
Yes!
Wow! Ain't no way, JM.
Ain't no way,
Grabe,
yes.
what a fucking beast!
Medyo ano lang yung date ko
What
ngayon, kaya
a
nakikita nyo 3
beast.
years to 3 weeks.
Grabe, ano, bag yan.
Bag yan,
Bag,
bag.
bag.
oo.
What a freaking
Bag,
beast,
bag.
bro. Ain't no way. Oh,
Simulan
simulan
na
na natin.
natin.
Grabe. Kasi
Pinakauna,
pinatag
oldest tayo.
Pinaka-oldest.
Para
Oldest.
nakikita natin yung
Pinakauna.
progress ng ano niya.
Oldest.
O nga pala, before anything else, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe kay
Yes,
JM.
ano,
Okay.
JM.
Tama, tama.
I love this guy, bro.
Kaya
Big shout out to my boy.
Isang week
Our
na,
boy.
hindi pa rin kayo nagsusubscribe. Buka ka na.
Paabutin natin siyang 10,000 subscribers.
10,000
Let's go.
subscribers! Kaya ba? Kaya
Para
yan.
tayo.
Kung hindi nyo paabutin. Guys, okay. If by next week, hindi 10k subscribe yan si JM, tang hindi namin. Wala na.
Wala na, PR
Last
Reacts.
episode na to ng PR Reacts. Okay?
Oo.
Last episode
Tama.
na to ng PR Reacts, hindi nyo
Keep it
pinabutin
dust.
10k. Oh my God,
Tama,
guys.
tama.
Ain't no way. Ain't no way you guys are gonna let it end
Hindi ka
here, guys.
panipaniwala. Tama, hindi ka
Tama.
panipaniwala.
Tama. Hanggang hindi yan nagte-10k, hindi ka gagawa na next episode.
Let's go!
Asan yung audio?
Meron. Nakamute kaya ata eh.
Full screen.
Tama. I do not hear
Joke
anything.
pa.
What?
Nakamute
Ano
kaya
to
ata eh.
kasi?
Naka-mute yung stream, bobo
Ano ba
kasi.
yun? Ayaw, naka-mute yung stream. Bobo kasi ako. Kasi ikaw. Okay.
Oh, game.
Ulit! Ano ba? Aray ko. Ain't no way. See, that's...
Alam mo, OG pa yung,
Oh, fuck that guy.
yung animation eh.
Fuck you, man! Oh, shit!
Ay,
Ano
color
sa'yo
by
yun,
book,
Milen?
di ba nila?
Yung ano?
Hindi ka pa dun.
Randy.
Wag lumayo kaya.
Putang ina.
Putang ina.
GTA ito, GTA 5.
Dito eh, nag-ano
I thought it was a karting, bro.
Tangina yun, andyan na ako. Andyan na ako.
Ay, kalbo pa ako.
Kalbo ka pa dito. Kalbo Bonil.
Putang ina light niya gamit ako.
Tangina kayo.
You know, puta.
Hey, Neil Diesel, bro.
Damn.
Neil Diesel.
Mga bobo!
Putang ina, wait the fuck? Did he actually put those things on?
Sige, after ng ano natin, isa-isayin natin.
Analyze. Putang ina eh.
Oh, ano nila?
That's immortalized, bro.
Ay, putang ina, fucked up. Putang ina. Putang ina, everyone fucked up. Putang ina. Damn, and that was like a week ago, bro. Ano yan?
Mukha ni Neil.
Okay, mga ako.
Yung nakatingin.
Masingit niya pa yan, no? Tang ina, he actually added that to his rotoscoping.
Meron pa ata. Ayun, yung mukha ko. Yan yung video natin. Di ba nila yun eh, yung may ano siya.
Umiiyak.
Yung
Umiiyak.
up filter. Yeah.
Alright, I think
Alright,
yun lang yung nakita
yeah.
nating Easter eggs. Next tayo,
Oh my God, that was
syempre.
ilang days yun ago? Ilang
Na
days
3 days ago.
3 days
Three
ago.
days ago.
No way. Okay,
Next
next.
one.
Isunod-sunod mo yan,
Si
ah.
Trinil, no ba yan? Grabe.
Oh, para nakikita natin yung progress ng ano
sunod-sunod
niya.
mo yung progress. Ano ka ba?
Sunod-sunod
Yan ba yung sunod?
Yan.
Okay.
Hindi pa.
Napanood na natin. May napanood na natin.
Hindi pa.
May napanood na
Pero hindi,
tayo.
ano,
I'm pretty sure
Hindi pa
meron.
nga.
Hindi na-analyze
Okay lang,
pa.
okay. Dedicated video to para kay
Yes,
JM.
ibang
Tama.
yung
Okay,
gusto.
fine.
All these
Okay.
years.
Game,
Gumagawa pa rin siya.
Okay,
Love
game,
JM.
game.
Let's go.
Do you guys hear an airplane?
I love this shit.
Yes, I hear an airplane.
Nakaka-airplane, bro.
I'm hearing a fucking... Gago, may airplane!
Why? It's so... Bro!
You're having delusions.
I love that.
Oh,
I love that taser.
You're having
niya.
delusions.
You know what a delusion is? You see this? This is a delusion. Fucking bitch. Oh, gago. Saan? Wala na, umalis na. Gago puta.
You're having delusions.
Just like every other
Damn.
crazy people
I
would
feel-
do.
You're having a forest fever.
I know what I fucking saw you.
Yeah, I feel like my voice here is like yung parang kulang pa sa puot at pait. Ano mo? Kulang pa sa galit.
Nice,
pa sa
nice
hatred.
frame.
that
Look
was
at that
3 days
frame, bro.
ago. That was 3 days ago, bro. I wasn't like
Nice
that.
zombie,
Okay,
bro.
game. Play.
Mabaliw na ayop.
A few moments later.
Oh shit, there's an airplane.
Yeah, always game, bro.
What? There is an airplane, Chris. What are you saying?
What do you mean?
Where?
Up there.
I don't see anything, Chris. You're delusional.
Shut the fuck up.
See, okay.
Oh, ano, wala. Legit. Like, I don't see shit.
Kulog,
I see
kulog pa yung tunog, you know?
dinosaur-shaped cloud.
There's nothing. Delusional, man.
Shut the fuck up. I know what I see.
The next day.
What the fuck? Ah, puta na! Ah, puta na! Sino yung magloko? Ah, sa tabi mo!
Putang ina.
Nababaliw ang
Damn, Ken.
You're having hallucinations. You're having hallucinations.
Oh my gosh, that is nice.
Pinag-mix niya yung ano,
3 days ago,
pinag-mix
bro.
niya ata.
Very,
3 days
very.
ago.
Pagkakaalam ko na Pinoy si Raksa natin.
Naiba na yan eh.
Pero yes, pero
Di pa nga, we're making an episode na dedicated kay GMO. We're rewatching everything.
What the fuck, girls? Come on, man.
No, ang ano nga, ang point dito is like, kasi alam ko sa mga recent ones, ang ganda na ng animation.
Nag-evolve na siya.
So
Okay.
nakikita natin pinanggalingan.
In the span of 1 week, ang lupit ng improvement niya.
Oo.
Itong reaction para kay JM to, okay? Dedicated. Let's go.
Go. Go, fucking the Mob Psycho opening, bro. Get ready. Kakantahan ko na lang, okay, para hindi ma-copyright.
Ano yan? Frame by frame yan, no?
I like it how he changed the dalawang E to like two threes. So that
Yes.
para ma-show yung
Para ano.
Yes, of course.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, ain't no way, Jay. With that five head move, bro.
And noise, man. Noise
No way.
is easy.
Yes.
That's great. That's great.
Spear
I like
train,
the
spear
detail.
train.
Nice. Okay, tuloy.
Hey.
Satisfaction.
Yung nunal ni Ken, nandun talaga eh.
Damn, ain't no way, bro. I've never seen you skateboard, John.
I did. Nag-upload daw namang nag-oli
You did,
ako.
bro.
The fuck, man.
Ain't
Nakita
no
sa
way,
labas.
bro. Damn. Accurate, bro.
Nan.
Ain't no
Eh,
way.
basketball pa rin.
Accurate, bro.
Lord accurate,
Lord
bro.
accurate.
O damn, fishing.
Hindi na nag-fishing.
3 days ago, nagpipishing pa ako.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit, what happened to that place, bro?
Pinespot ka sa sige na sa
Oh
gitna.
my god. Oh, day, bro. Ain't no way, bro.
De,
Oh
Among
shit,
Us.
Among Us, 3 days ago,
my
bro.
God. guys.
Then, wala pang repo dyan, 3 days ago.
Damn.
Oh shit, Minecraft. Oh damn, bro.
Asmobobia, bro.
What
Ang
the
lupit,
fuck?
gaga.
Oh my
Gago.
God.
Damn.
Dude, that's literally all the best things we've done in the fucking channel.
Oh, balikan
Oh
natin.
shit, yung
balikan
rap natin,
dyan.
guys.
Sea of Thieves.
Sea of
Oh
Thieves.
shit.
Bro.
Fall Guys.
Fall guys.
I like the
Holy
Wow.
shit.
This is amazing, bro.
Fuck, that was cool.
Damn, bro.
Top tier, bro.
Damn.
Ang seamless din ng transitions eh.
Oh god.
Oo.
And those were like the best moments.
Oh,
shit!
shit!
Let's go, Lila!
It's our boy!
Let's go!
Lila.
Holy shit! See, nagparamdam siya.
Damn, bro.
Let's go.
Okay, ano natin yung
Mga cambio,
dito banda.
Mga games. May
Yeah,
mga
look
games
at that.
na may mga
Look at that,
cameo
bro.
pa.
Putang na, may
Sin
May
Ay,
Don
ano, yung
Quixote
ano
pa.
ni Gian? Din Quixote. Imo
Ngayon,
pa.
wala na yan.
Tita Timo.
That was short-lived, that fucking podcast area. Ngayon, ano na siya? LGS
Ito,
na siya.
potato.
Okay.
Ah, kasi ano? Tinawag
Cooking
ko
stream.
ano?
Ay,
Yeah,
cooking
yung
show.
cooking show namin.
Cooking show niya, okay.
Hindi ko napansin niya kanina.
Na itutuloy nila. Uy.
Siyempre.
Ito yung Wii.
Ay, ano, yung
whatever.
Nintendo,
Yes.
Switch.
We
The
stuff
Mario.
it. Damn, bro,
Mario
may
Party.
hoodie ka pa bang ganyan? Ako wala na akong ganyan.
Yes.
Na kay hoodie,
yes,
bro.
sir.
Ain't no way. Ain't no way John was blonde back then, bro.
Oh,
Dunkin' Jonathan.
You know what? You know what, Neil? That fucking outfit of yours, yung sando mo yan na ano podcast, always something you wear, bro.
Oh my
Always,
God.
bro. That's
Oh my
literally,
God,
ano,
Ian.
parang ano mo yan, parang skin mo yan.
Oh my
See,
God.
actually, you're fucking wearing it.
You're wearing it right now? Oh, shit. Ain't no way, bro.
Fucking guy.
Kaya kami na-surprise ngayon kailan nagbukas ng camera si Nel. So,
Tangina mo.
3 days ago, bro. Suit mo pa rin yun.
Ay, no way, bro.
Ain't no way, bro.
na-drawing ka ng ganyan yung parisot mo.
Ang
Oh, yung mga games
All the
natin.
games that... Ito, nilaro natin lahat to.
Yeah, Secret
Eh.
Neighbor,
Yeah, yeah.
Five
Sino
Nights at
to?
Freddy's.
Si ano yan? Si Repo yan, bro.
Hindi sa Repo.
Repo.
Si Repo yan, gago. Si Repo yan. Si Repo yan, gago.
May sa amin.
Si Repo yan, gago.
May amin pa.
Cringe memes.
May Roblox.
Putang ina si Ami,
Si
wala
Ami
na
nga.
yan. 3 days ago, nag-graduate na siya, gago. Okay, next.
Damn, Minecraft. Ang ganda ng Minecraft
Phasmophobia.
transition natin.
Phasmophobia, bro. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way hindi natin nilalaro yan.
Ano to? Ano to? Ano to?
Yung ano yun, yung sa pyramid,
Forward, bro.
namutan ko.
That
Forward, yeah.
Oh, forward.
4-1.
Ano to?
Ito.
The Forest, The Forest.
Ayan.
Forest na sending.
The Forest.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
my gosh.
Oh, yeah.
Ang lupit na detail, bro.
Nice.
Damn.
Oh, shit.
Back for Blood or...
Back for blood, bro.
Back for blood.
Back for blood, yeah.
Ain't no way we didn't
Lupit.
finish that game, bro.
Among Us, bro.
Okay.
Eh,
There's
putang ina, oh man, what the fuck, bro, man.
Okay, there's a problem with fucking, with Back
With
for
what?
Blood. It's not like Left 4 Dead, okay? In Back for Blood, you need to grind for like stuff to like progress in the game. It's not
Fun.
respecting our time. It's not respecting.
Tawa, tawa, tawa.
Skill issue tayo, gago. Baka nag-grind din naman tayo sa Elden Ring, ah. Bakit? di tayo-
Eto, di ko gets to.
Oh yeah, that's the first episode nung yung ending ng GTA 1 na. Fucking
At tinabol si Ragnar.
Oh shit. I hated it. People still mention this moment sa buhay ko. I can never escape it, bro. Ano to?
Ito.
Ano yan?
This is...
This
What is that?
is yung
Hindi ba yan yung yung Dying Light? Hindi Dying Light. Yung Dead by Daylight.
but
Dead
it's,
by Daylight.
It's like parang mag-ano tayo.
Ba't di ka mag-ano dyan? Ito.
What the
Yeah,
fuck is this?
that's the same game. That's the same game.
Ah, same
Ay,
game.
oo. Ito nga. Ay,
Ay,
ito
ito yung Prop Hunt?
Prop Hunt,
Hindi.
yeah. No,
Ah,
Prop Hunt.
No, parang Prop Hunt na yung horror.
Di ba yan Pacify?
Prop and Seek. Prop Night. Prop Night.
Oh,
Yeah,
Prop Night.
Prop Night.
Prop Night. Okay.
This is about
Ito.
trauma.
Hindi ako nakasama.
Trauma.
Hindi ako nakasama dito.
This is
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah. Nakasama dito.
Yeah, that was 3 days ago, yung Battle Trauma. Eh.
Yes.
Way, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Go, bro.
Yes,
Oh
it
shit,
is.
tinil gaga.
The rough, bro.
Damn, what the fuck? Hindi ko napapansin.
Rap, di pa rin natin natatapos.
Rap.
Go!
Rap.
What? Meron ako dito?
Graphics.
Oh,
We'll never
nandiyan ka.
see that, you know.
Ay, alam mo yung
Oh
story
my
dyan?
gosh.
Like lahat kami nakipaglaban dito na pagsapal ako sa submarine tapos ikaw tumakas.
What?
I know,
Just
bro.
literally left.
Hindi
Okay.
ako yun.
That's rough.
Rough.
Damn, the birds, bro. You hated the birds,
The
bro.
Sharky
Birds,
Shark.
bro. Yung kumukuha.
And
Oh,
nag-transform sa One Piece.
Ito yung ano,
Sea of Thieves.
update.
Sea of Thieves.
Sea of Thieves na may update na dapat ngayon.
Ah, ito. Yung malaki.
Yes. Megalomania, bro.
Naging Fall Guys.
Oh shit, Repo, bro.
Let's go.
Okay, good.
I think alam ko na nangyayari.
Huwag kang gagalaw, babae!
Kuya, wag gagalaw.
Gagalaw ang puta.
Oras na gumalaw ka, babae! Babae, asa kasama mo ha? Susundan ka lang to!
Wala lang.
Sundan ka lang to rin ha?
Tangay na mo.
Ako, mukha akong tanga dito.
You're fucking right.
Everything was fucking right. How did you know, Try Neil? How did you do it?
How did you do it? Try Neil.
Siyempre,
That was nice.
Wala ako dito eh.
For homeless Ken.
Wala ako sa recording na
Have you
to.
seen this
sa
man?
first
Kaya pala
episode.
nakalagay doon. Have you seen this man?
Yes. I was just in the backgrounds. Okay. Sa narrative niya ni Jay.
Ito, may hominicus conis po. Watch out.
Ano yung mga naano niya dito?
But I think it's just straightforward.
Just
I think
that,
ito lang.
Yeah.
Oh my
Beware.
God. Ito yung
Harmonic
meme na paano. Palala ng palala.
Ito, saan galing mukha na yan, ha?
Ako sa galing yan.
my God.
That just looks
Actually,
like
that's just like Neil. Okay, pag nag-stream shot
Just hyper-realistic Neil, bro.
It always happens, man. Yung mga ganyan mga, it always happens, man.
Nah, man. Feeling ko ano yun, galing yun sa isang hentai manga, bro. That's from like a ugly bastard hentai scene, bro. Yung frame na yun.
This game sucks, bro!
Game
What
sucks
the
muna
fuck?
pa Roblox na lang tayo.
Ang ina, people will be buying this shit! You know how much this shit is? Putang ina, what the fuck, Riot? Stupid fucking game! You rich as fuck! Di mo magawa yung ano, puta ina, ako walang pera pero kaya ko magpagawa ng replay! Okay lang, ina mo!
Malapit na. Malapit na namatay.
You know what's funny? Tinis na nila ngayon.
Diamond RD.
What the fuck? It's 2
Tinis.
years,
Meron na silang review.
Ano ito yung sabihin na week?
2 days.
2 days.
Ang ganun kabilis.
Relax, bro.
Am I the only one who's living in my own reality right now?
Yes.
Am I going crazy?
Get to the program, Grace!
What
Keep the
kind
program,
of
guys.
program? Oh, what's it in the program?
Putang ina ng ano kasi yan, mentioning older fucking cloth, bro. Puta ina, where can we select the fucking map? Putang ina, CSGO did it better!
Let's go, CSGO! Let's go! Tara, CSGO na lang tayo!
Kaya lang naman kami naglalaro nito kasi putang ina, wala na
I think this is the reason why Riot is not contacting us ever.
Valid crash out.
Valid crash out. I think this is the reason why Riot don't contact us anymore.
Kasi putang ina, wala nang ibang malaro! Fuck this game, bro!
Pwede ko rin siya lagari.
Ouija board! Ouija board!
Oh shit, tara, let's play.
Patricia Thomas!
Wait lang, di ba marunong pa kayo mag-Ouija board?
Hindi.
Oh, tangina,
Hey. When you called her name, it spiked to 3.
Patricia Thomas!
Patricia
Thomas!
I don't think that was.
I compel you to get the fuck out!
Wait lang kasi bubo nyo kasi turn off tuloy. Spirit of the house, if you can hear us, please show yourself or do something on the board.
Oh shit! Patricia Thomas! We call to you! Speak
Ayan
to
ang
us!
gago.
Oh shit!
Oh my god, he has like 10 strength.
Patricia Thomas! Speak to us! Using the Ouija board!
Going sus right now, holy shit.
Patricia, are you
Sige,
there?
kayo bahala ako magpipicture. Handa ako yung picture, camera. Go, just keep doing it. Patricia Thomas, you gay as hell! Chris, how do I know if I need to take a picture? Ay, puta, ayun siya! Ayun siya! Oh my god!
Hindi gag.
Hindi ba yun eh?
Putang ina! Someone died! Oh my god, I'm in her fucking lair, dude! Puta si Patricia Thomas andito sa akin, gago! Wag po! Dude, I took photos, dude. Ano na to? You didn't even capture her. Tang inang yan, gago. Sino to? Nakikita niyo ba ako? Everything's foggy now. Is Gian dead? I'm dead.
Yeah, he's dead.
Yung mukha niya.
Putang ina yung hype. Pinicturean ko na pinicturean, gago. Walang lumabas sa camera.
That was something, bro.
That was something, bro.
Something, bro. Damn, bro.
Yun ang first name ko ng ano yun eh. Ng fast mo.
I miss Phasmo.
Yeah, I miss fast mo. It was so fresh kasi na parang magsasalita ka, di ba? And then parang may AI yung ghost na it opens the door. It was so fucking fun.
Phasmophobia right now is so meta. It's so meta right now. Ang daming nagbago na ano. Like for some reason na pagpasok mo pala ng bahay, alam mo na yung ghost and you could just get the fuck out.
Yeah, may mga skits nga, di ba, na ganun.
I mean, that's the whole purpose of the game. Just figure
Oh
out.
my God, the glass is green.
Next game. Lista na.
Next game.
Santo.
Ano yan eh? Sa sine yan eh.
Sabi yan, kaka naka-Valorant ano pa tayo dyan, no? Neo na hoodie. I don't even know where mine is. What the fuck? That thing was comfy as fuck.
Bro.
It's comfy as fuck. Nice. It's nice.
Di mo na alam kung saan galing yun. Si Ken si Patricia Thomas.
Yeah, I think walang notable na other than the One Piece face ni Neil.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
No, this one?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Enel yan.
Si Neil face,
Oh my gosh, that's nice.
Sobrang HD eh.
Damn, bro.
Oh my God.
Ken's brother.
1 week lang to, 1 week. Fresh na fresh.
Ay, putang na, saras to ah.
Saras yan.
Naalala ko to.
Saras to?
Ken's brother, bro.
Game.
Brother? Oh my God, a brother! You're a brother! Oh my God, my brother from another mother. You have like my brother? Oh shit. Whoa! What the fuck, man? Whoa, fuck you, no, fuck you, man. I'm gonna fuck you up. No, I'm gonna fuck you
Damn, Ken, I didn't know you were toxic like this, bro.
No, man.
You know it, bro.
No,
Trying to kill me, okay?
Oh no, you piece of shit. No, man, no. Don't do it.
Don't do it, man. Tangina mo.
You suck, bro. You suck, man. You suck. Oh, man. Don't do this shit, man. Don't do it, brother. It's me, your brother. Brother, it's me, bro. No, don't do it. I was gonna let you
bro.
You're trying to kill me, bro. Come on, man. I thought you're my brother from another mother, man. Fuck. Don't leave me, man. Don't leave me, man. Don't leave me, bro.
Patay ka na ba dito pag ganyan?
Brother.
Ay, na-down.
Don't leave me. Please. Can you please help me, please? No, brother! Oh shit, I'm
Damn, what the fuck like that?
Iniwan.
Niyaan lang ako.
Yeah, can't believe you were that. I think can't believe you were so toxic, Ken. What the fuck?
Yung fuck na game, bro.
Tulungan ka na.
Ito na mga good shit.
The one of the goats.
Oh shit. One of the good shits, man.
Ito, Gloko. Initiation, okay?
Oh my God.
He popped off here, man. What beast? He was locked
Yan ang
in.
initiation. Ito sa kabila. Basta ako kukuha ng ano nila. Huwag ka dito. Sa kabila ka, go. Just lure the beast.
Pahabol ka sa beast, tapos lukunin namin high.
The beast.
Ako maglalaro ng ano.
How do I do this?
Hindi ka nakita yan. Hindi ka napansin yun.
Damn, the effort here. Holy shit.
Damn, bro.
All those frames, bro.
The frames.
Oh, God! Ow!
Kami lahat colored eh, no? Oh, he died, bro.
What happened?
He died?
Si Royce.
What?
He did that.
Holy shit, that's fucked up. Oh my God, he's dead. Oh boy, you better run. You better run, boy. Oh my God, you're gonna die. Patay gago, patay ka diha.
Sino namatay? Sino namatay?
I don't know, bro. Damn, may free running dog.
Is it free running dog?
Nakayap ka, boss.
Oh shit. Takin ng blue lock.
Please, ako.
Iniwan ako gago.
There, bro.
The
One Piece na dami gago.
He locked in here, bro.
Ang dami, bro.
Ang dami gago.
Katawan Titan pa.
Like, every fucking frame, man. Holy shit. Toei, hire this man.
Ito, natutulog lang. Nasaan ang ano natin? Employee of...
Uy! Si Glow ka pala oh! Igos ka pala eh!
I love Chris!
No
I love
way, bro.
Chris!
Lore accurate yan, gago.
Hindi ko napansin yan ah!
Lore accurate yan, gago.
Lore accurate.
Ate, bro!
Kaya pala, pre. Di ko alam pala yan pala.
Halata ba?
Ngayon ko lang rin nakita.
Ngayon ko nakita, hindi ko nakita kanina yun.
Mapapaano ka talaga sa mga Easter egg eh.
Gagawin, ano mo muna yung marami, yung muscles, yung mga B. Yung nakita ko.
Muscles, mga B.
Nakakay muscles, bro. Ayun
Ito.
Puta, yung B, bro.
Ngayon ka nakita.
Dapat yun na una.
You like jazz?
Putang ina. Slip, bro. Tangin na si Mike Tyson ang gago.
Silakihan yung katawan eh.
Oh,
What the fuck?
Lupit.
And the effort.
This guy actually framed all the fucking angles ni Mike Tyson and then drew individual beats for him. Holy shit. What the fuck? Take that AI. Ain't no way AI can do this, bro. Shovel pala yung ano ko. Yung mga blades ko. What the fuck? Ay ko na napansin. What the fuck? Damn, holy crap, dude.
Ganito yung ganito. Ano to eh, inaaral to eh, no? Yung angle, yung... Oo. Ito mo na siya, see?
Ganda na
Naka-fish eye eh. Naka-fish eye pa nga eh.
Damn, holy shit, this guy, bro.
Damn, bro. See?
Keep cooking, damn. Ayun na, makikita din natin.
Picture
di ba,
pa
mayroon
doon,
kasing
Individual
ganun.
dance moves eh. Tangina yun, no?
Employees of the month.
Holy shit.
Ang galing kasi meron pa rin honey dito. Hindi pa rin. Yung
Tira ba yung baba? Tira mo yung baba. Yung frame na yung red play button na binigay niyo sa akin.
Ay, ano?
Oh my God!
Saan na yan?
Saan na ba yan?
Asa na to? Tangina, pag ito wala na. Ewan ko sa'yo.
Honestly, I think it's somewhere behind.
Oh, shit.
Somewhere, bro. Somewhere
Yeah,
there.
bro.
Tama.
Nueva Ecija, pinaghirapan ko eh.
God damn, bro. All those frames.
The employees of the company, bro.
Yan na yung ano ko ngayon, yung current na ano ko.
Profile
DP ko
picture.
ngayon. Yung profile picture ko ngayon.
Nag-iba, hindi pa pala pa nag-iba.
Hindi ba? Hindi na. It's always been like that, bro.
Damn, bro.
Easy. Para pag question ako ng immigration, are you this person? Pakita ko yung profile ko. Yes. Yung passport ko. Damn. I want that. I like this. I like this frame, bro.
Niloko crunch.
Niloko crunch.
Yung mukha mo gago.
Putang ina nga. You didn't have to do that, but he actually did. Holy shit. Tangina.
He literally made a Photoshop
He made a
picture of that certain motto.
Putang ina.
Rich in puta.
Rich in puta.
Tasyo, bro.
Ayun na yung mukha mo nga dyan, no?
Alam
I feel like we recorded it somewhere, bro.
Sa PLDT yan eh, yung nawala ng internet.
Oh my God, ang lupit mo, JM.
Iba ka?
Utik.
I like this part.
Okay.
Yung ano rin. Yung
Yung,
chopper.
Dun.
The chopper moment.
Angin ang mukha yan, gago.
Ay, nako. Okay, next one.
Okay, next one.
Next one, bro. Solid.
Solid.
Tinawanan mo talaga.
Solid to.
One of the best. One of the best.
Yeah.
One of the
One
best.
of my personal faves, bro.
Oh, fuck.
Okay,
boy.
attribute to Leland, bro. Holy shit, we gotta
Yeah,
watch it,
let's
bro.
go, bro.
Nah, this is kinda sad, bro. Pero sige, it's so fun.
Yeah,
Yeah,
bro. I wanna
Let's go,
feel sad,
let's
bro.
go.
Okay.
Masyado na tayong tumawa. Okay, it's time to feel sad.
Roller coaster.
Hello, comrades. We're gonna do this. What's on the internet right now is a bit of coke.
Oh no, he mixed that shit. Milo.
Milo.
You know, not gonna lie, it's not that bad.
It's like
Nah, it's not that
goat,
bad.
alam mo yun? Pero chocolate lang.
Tikman mo, kutsara lang. Kayo!
Damn, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Damn, bro, where you fucking go? You going to church?
Nilalakad dapat siya dito eh.
You going to church, bro. Gago, ito yung moment eh, no? Yung kanina, di
Yo,
ba?
what's this, bro? Ay, yung ano,
Yung suotin
yung
nila,
lumipad
yung
yung
parinig.
bola mo.
Yung parinig.
Oh, gago. Hey, it's your shirt, Neil. Holy shit.
Tapos hindi naman kayo nagpa-podcast.
Bago
That is
ref.
pocket throw. Oh shit, may non-existent Super Cub. Oh my god,
Tama.
this will never happen again. What the fuck?
Agaga yung Yakuza.
The what?
Yakuza.
mo ano?
Ano ginawa natin?
Yung pinareact mo sa amin.
Oh
Yes,
yeah, that's true.
I
Okay.
remember this.
Oh.
Damn! Holy shit, the GSIS, bro.
Damn, bro.
G-
The OG
The ESGS, bro.
Oh, wow.
May his soul rest in peace.
Ay!
Okay. May his soul, what do you call this? Blessed.
Pedro ba?
Pedro, lahat.
Si Alfred nandun pa sa gilid.
It's so sad.
Leland, may you, what do you call this? Curse Chris's deck. Yung Necron deck.
Yeah, bro.
Tama.
May you curse it, bro. Okay, para hindi
Tapos
siya
The Warhammer on.
Get good
Get good
skill
kiss.
issue.
Tama.
Damn, bro.
Tama, damn, bro.
Nice. Good tribute.
Double domination.
Good tribute.
Double
tribute.
JM, ano ka ba? Di ka lang pa nagpapatawa, nagpapalungkot ka pa.
Damn,
Tama,
double use,
tama.
bro. Siyempre, kung marunong siya magpatawa, alam niya rin kung paano maging malungkot. Tama.
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 The
Tama,
woo
tama.
balances the we, okay? Alright, this is one of my
Wala ka ba?
favorites, actually. Ito ako sobrang, I almost lost it here, bro. I almost lost it here.
I was kind of surprised na hindi niya ka sinali dito yung yung the bridge scene.
Dude, I swear to God, like, I was laughing for 3 days straight. Nung pinanood ko.
Let's
na
play.
Game,
Play.
play.
Go.
Welcome to Party Animals, kung saan ang mga hayop ay maglalaban-laban.
Saan ang mga hayop maglaban-laban?
Damn,
Kami po
I
ang
didn't...
hayop.
Ikaw lang.
Hayop ka!
Hayop ka!
Pupunta ka na sa impyerno.
Putang ina mo!
Actually, like, yung mga pinili natin yung animals na.
Yeah, look at those impact frames, bro.
Welcome to my habitat.
Holy shit, Gagura, bro.
Nandun pa si Gagura.
Oh, no!
Inang yan.
Damn.
Sobrang bagay ng author sa akin. What the fuck was that? The Titanic?
Mamaya.
Aray ko! Tangina mo! Duit! Manila to, duit! Ay! Putang ina ito! Sino yan?
Putang ina, yung iceberg.
Juggernaut! I am the Juggernaut!
Angas na ano niya.
I am the Juggernaut!
Yan ang impact frame. Yan ang impact frames.
Tangina, may slow motion pa eh. Putang ina, ang guit.
What are you to shit, bro?
Blade Fury!
Oh, that's... Someone stop that!
Manila to, duit! That's mine!
Putang ina.
Sapol! Ano ba? Let them fight. Uy!
Putang ina, ang grimid.
That's fucking nice.
Ngayon lang pansin yung mga extra details. Takina mo ka.
Putang ina, yung ano,
Ano to si Nilo?
yung deep gate.
Oh my God!
Oh my God, fish.
No! Putang ina mo! Walang akat! Walang akat! Putang ina mo! Give me the shit! Give me the shit, Neil! Sa akin na to!
Putang ina. You can't get the fuck off, Ray!
Aray ko! No! Ay, lumahan ako! Ay,
Sa puwet pa eh. Sa pinaka-puwet.
Tangina mo, Neil!
Kana smooth man guy.
Ang bilis naman mo yun.
I am the high ground now, boy! Oh, shit! I won it!
Panalo si Eagle.
Tangina na yan.
I'm the best! Corgi number 1.
Okay, hate man. Damn, even this one, bro.
Yay! I am the crown, boy! Wala kayong crown.
Tangina mo. Exactly what happened.
Bugbugin mo! Bugbugin mo!
Ano pa yung puwet eh.
Oh my
Ay,
God.
Oh, that's
Sabi na yan,
Easter
bro.
eggs, bro. Tangina. Yung ano?
Easter eggs.
Easter egg, yung Titanic, tapos putang buhay pa yun, di ba? May lubog na yan, gago. Oh, gago.
Ano pati kanina?
True. You know.
Oo nga, nalubog.
Palubog na gago.
Palubog na gago.
Tayo na the details, man.
That's the man under the water.
bro.
Dami pa yun eh.
Dito.
Ayun yung kanina main pack frame yan eh. Main pack frame yun.
Main pack frame yun. Ito.
Yan yung sa Juggernaut.
Tama dyan? Yan o.
Dyan.
Go, play it. Play it. Forbid. Damn bro, yung may like.
Yeah, imagine. Okay. Imagine you're an animator and you are gonna draw all of that kind of shit for just one frame.
One frame.
You'll miss it. If you blink, you'll miss it.
All that effort for one frame, bro. For one frame. Okay.
Tutik na yan. Kuryente. Ito, tangin.
Putang yung
Angry Birds.
Angry Birds.
I've never played Angry Birds, by the way.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I don't know. Hindi ako relate. Alam ko lang, Angry Birds siya. Ay, putang ina, may frame doon eh. What the hell?
Wait, what?
Yung?
It was just one frame.
Nakakuryente siglo ko. Sige pa, yung zoom in. Zoom in
version. Sige pa. Sige pa, go! Go! Yan. Sige.
Picture ni Alden.
Coco Crunch.
What the fuck? Ano yun, yung sa Akihabara yata ko yun eh, yung picture ko ilang yan. Damn bro.
Tik na yan.
Holy shit.
Just for one frame bro. Just for one frame.
One frame
bro.
Double animator bro, WJM. Putang ina.
WJM
bro.
Yan yung ano yan? The fucking Ocean Gate.
Ocean Gate.
Shit dude.
Nilagyan pa ako na.
You know what, next time whenever I'm gonna watch a GM video, I am not going to blink.
Lahat ng frame.
Ay no, si Gian nakagapa
in
din oh.
point 2 bro. The fish bro.
Talaki.
I think that was it. I think that was all the...
I think that's pretty much it.
Yes, sir.
Nice,
Go dead,
okay.
man. Go dead.
I love this one.
Game.
I'm gonna say the magic word, man.
It's a magic word.
Say the magic word.
Lalabas.
Oh no.
Saan po yung frame doon?
Cat, bro.
At ganun din gawin niya gago.
Lalabas?
Never hit high was 9.
He tired bro.
Hit tired. He old. He tired though.
The details, bro.
Look at my fucking room though. That's exactly how it still looks like.
Oh my God.
Ay, hindi na. Wala na. Updated na 3 days ago.
lupit pati ito. Yung
Yeah, yung
sa likod,
Nesuberry.
oh.
Nandun pa rin siya.
Eto na, boys.
Ito na. Ito na, the latest.
The latest.
Eto, nagsimula tayo sa 3 days ago. Tapos,
3 days ago.
Ito 3 hours ago. 3 hours ago lang yan, no?
3 years ago. Gano'ng kalupit yung animation ngayon ni JM.
Oh, well, look at this.
Akin yung stamina, okay? Akin yung stamina.
Put strength here, bro.
Do your thing.
Smoother na.
Pero tayo ba ko? Yan yung sinasabi ko! Yan yung sinasabi ko! Yan yung sinasabi ko!
May effect na rin, no? Smoke effect, mga ganun.
Bingian. Huwag kayo magsasalita, bingian. Ano nakakarinig yan, bobo, baliktad. Bulag yan, pero hindi siya bingi.
Shut the fuck up.
Ocarina.
Grabe, may mga yung sounds na rin.
Ang inang kin yun. Bubulag yan, sabi na, huwag ka magsasalita, tanga na.
Ay, mukha natin.
Bulag yan, pero lang sa pandinig. Ba't ka nagsasalita?
7-Eleven.
Baby.
People telling me.
And then Van Gogh paintings, bro. Puta, bumalik na naman si Coco Crunch, bro.
Yeah.
Niloko Crunch, gago.
Nangyari ba talaga to?
Yeah,
tinginan lang.
Tinginan lang kayo.
The fuck is it?
Nangyari ba talaga to?
Nangyari ba yan?
Ewan ko yung nangyari.
One step at a time, bro.
Yung cosplay pa ni Chris.
What the hell was that Anya, bro?
Ay. This is traumatized.
No!
Who's killing me? Chris, goodbye!
Putang ina. Ay, mga prismatic evolution.
Sitirahin niya ako sa press!
Ang layo.
Putangin na.
Marvel Rivals, bro. What the fuck is that face?
Oh my God.
Ang daming daming Easter egg dun.
Ang daming Easter egg. Simulan natin sa umpisa.
Okay, that's the fucking grenade is from
Andito
Spider-Man
si
3.
Ken, okay? Hindi nakita kanina. Andito si Ken.
Oo nga, tapos pumunta siya sa may pin, nasa wall na siya.
Si Ken ba yan o si
Vanilla.
Si Vanilla ba?
Vanilla, kulay green eh.
Yes.
Pa ako.
Ito si Ken, this is nice. This is nice, man. Meron pang poster, yes. This is nice.
Yeah, okay. Whoop. Oh my God.
Ayun yung mukha ni Neil Gag. Yung mga nagloko ka talaga.
Holy shit, yung silver play button na yan.
Yung mukha eh.
We should send that drawing.
Jay, ba't ganyan yung mukha ko?
It's literally how it is.
You should send that drawing, JM.
You should send that drawing to gagawin yung profile picture ni JM. As soon as possible na makakita mo.
JM, gagawin ko rin yung profile picture.
Gagawin na yung profile picture, sabay-sabay.
Sabay-sabay.
Pwede.
Email mo lang sa amin.
Yung mukha ko dyan, no?
Parang binugbog sa mukha ko yung low-low.
Gagawin namin yun para sa JM. Send mo lang sa sabay-sabay namin ipapalta profile picture namin.
What the fuck? Ba't ganyan yan?
Tinang yan.
Yan, ma-update na ni JM sa mga future niya ngayon.
Meron ka na reference. Hindi niya ka ba sa 7-Eleven?
Damn.
I cannot believe that became a fucking thing, man. I fucking hate the JM.
JM, send mo rin to. Gawin namin sticker.
Dapat may sticker na ganyan.
May sticker, tama.
Like, legit kaya wala nasabi yung bugso ng damdamin eh. Pero tanga na ginawa, it became a fucking thing.
JM, pasahin sa akin to.
Gawan mo ng proxy yan, counter spell.
Oh my God.
Gawan ka ng proxy card. Ganyan ka farewell mo, ganyan ka sa 7-Eleven.
Gagakasan.
Meron
Van Gogh painting.
Oh my God!
Bakit?
Puta ka si Wally ba yan?
What? Saan?
Gago!
Si Wally Bayola.
What the fuck?
Putang ina.
What the fuck?
Wally Van Gogh, bro.
Hindi ko na pansin dyan. Wally Van Gogh, bro. What the fuck? Napansin nyo pa yun? Oh, yeah.
Di mo pa nabibenta.
Di pa naman nabibentahan.
Unanay ang puta.
Puta si Onanay.
It's so nice. Nandito pa rin, binibenta ko. It's just 10K na lang. 10K na lang.
10K na lang daw.
Best game ever, by the way. Oh yeah, those fucking... Ayan na putang ina.
Ano niya, no?
Damn, he actually a Gargura said, damn, I'm sorry, JM. I'm sorry for your loss, JM.
Damn, bro. Graduate na ba si Gargura?
Oo, wala na yung Gargura.
Damn.
It's a nice...
It's
a nice puta.
Yung mukha na yan.
Yan gagawin ko profile picture.
Naka nakamukha mo si Asman Gold eh.
Yan ako nga, no?
Tabag.
Yan ang profile picture.
WJM, bro.
WJM, bro.
Ganda. Grabe.
Guys, again, ilang subscribers sa ngayon?
4.72K.
Pag hindi yan 10K, hindi kami gagawa ulit ng isa.
Hindi kami gagawa ng PR
PR reaction. Agad hindi nyo.
And feeling ko, JM, message sa'yo, feeling ko gumagawa na siya ng schedule 1. Feeling ko lang naman.
Wag mong inaano siya, ginagaslight mo
Malay natin.
Nanahimik yung buhay ng tao, tapos biglang lalagay mo yun sa utak niya. Wala na, maano na siya. Hindi ka obligado, by the way. Don't do it.
Hindi ka obligado.
Sorry kay Neil.
Yes, pero guys, road to 10K si JM.
JM, if you're watching this, we will watch your career with great interest.
Pero yan, guys, sa lahat ng nanonood dito, pero syempre, before kayo magtapos, maraming salamat sa Patreon, syempre. Patreon natin, guys. Isingit na rin natin ang mga Patreons dito. Dahil may road draft na daw yung ano?
Yung karting.
Uy, yung karting.
Yes, mga kaibigan.
Pero hintayin nyo lang. Good news.
Malapit na matapos.
May niluluto na.
May nangyayari na.
May nangyayari na ako.
May nangyayari na.
Magandang balita, mga kaibigan. May nangyayari na.
Kung gusto nyo ba ng PRX, kita-kits next week. And kung meron kayo mga suggestions kung ano yung pwede naming reactan or may mga submissions kayo, punta lang kayo sa Reddit namin.
Punta mo Reddit. Pakita mo naman.
Posting Reddit. Eto! Alright! Pakita nyo 2 days ago. Oops, mamaya na. Next time na yan. So maraming salamat. Kita-kits sa next video. Peace out.
Alam.
Ina mo!